Hello and welcome to another update video about IOST. I made a video on the Internet of Service token, I think yesterday or the day before yesterday. To be honest, I can't remember. I start to cover quite a lot of projects now, but I think it was after this breakout here. I made you aware of this breakout, and that is what so many other cryptos did as well. I mean, with IOST, you have a beautiful, nearly textbook cup and handle, you know, if you see that, with a important resistance level up here at 9 cents. And we can see that we are just at this tipping point here where we are about to break out. Now, something unusual happened because most other cryptos that I've been tracking on this channel, that I've been following, where we followed the same pattern, that actually, after that breakout, well, they successfully broke out. But IOST has broken back into this descending channel. So that's quite unusual, you know. It's not generally unusual, but it's unusual in this case because so many other cryptos actually broke to the upside. But I just want to give that to you, to highlight to you that, first of all, things are not always going to plan anyway. So always prepare for the worst. And that's why I always say, wait for the breakout. And, you know, if you are bold and really more risk, if you're a risk taker, some people don't want to wait for a retest. Some people just go in straight away, but then, you know, if a retest fails, that could go, the other way, of course. Other people always wait for the retest and a confirmation that a retest was successful. The downside is that you can then sometimes lose out because there isn't always a retest. Well, in this case, there was a retest. It actually looked like it was successful, but then we came back in. Just want to highlight you this potential opportunity because we are just in the apex. There is not much more room to maneuver. There is not much more room to move. So I actually went in long here because it looked like to me this retest was successful. Well, it didn't, but I'm gonna hold it long anyway. But what the opportunity here is that potentially, if you see another breakout to the upside, that would be a really, really good opportunity potentially. You know, no financial advice, but I think it could be a good opportunity to consider at least a trade here, a long trade, and that is imminent. I mean, that we're talking about, this is the 4-hour chart. We're talking about hours here, you know, probably before. You can see that here. We're just getting into this apex. I could extend that here a little bit, and then, you know, we can get squeezed a little bit more, possibly have another half day or so in here. But then something needs to happen, and you can see how it's adhering to that triangle here. So yeah, it's a good opportunity to watch at least. And we talked about potential price targets. I took the length or the height of that cup, and obviously that target needs to be reduced now because we are not here at the breakout anymore. The breakout will be somewhere here, but still it could take us eventually to $12.50. Things to watch out for, of course, that previous high here at 6.3 cents. So let me just put that on the chart. Another important level here is at 6.8 cents, you know, and we're talking cents here. So then we've got another one here at this high at around 7.2 cents, but major one probably up here at 8.1 cents, right up here. So these are the levels we need to get through. And most other cryptos that broke out of this pattern, they didn't go up in a straight line. They came up in a bumpy ride, you know. And in this channel, I try to show you these opportunities. Again, it's never financial advice, but I just want to make you aware of, first of all, what I'm doing. And I honestly tell you, I went in and bought some IOST because I didn't have any. But very early days on my channel here, I talked about the potential of IOST. And I think we were at 2 cents at the time. So we had a good... I didn't buy them back then, unfortunately. Should have probably, because it was somewhere down here in June, July, yeah, at around 2 cents. So yeah, we came up quite nicely since then, but I think it still has a lot more to offer here, this crypto. And again, this is a very important tipping point here. You can watch that, observe that, come to your own conclusions, but just wanted to show you this opportunity. Right, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, then please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.